Kent Mulgat with KelownaNow here at the KSS Gym, home of the 45th Annual Interior Savings Western Canada Basketball Tournament, which tips off tomorrow night. I'm here with Coach Harry Parmar of the Owls. The team ranked around 9th right now. Will the energy in this gym push them up to perhaps contention to win this tournament?
I hope so. We have a very tough game tomorrow night. We play number 2 out of Manitoba, so we'll be in a dogfight, but I hope usually the energy in here is good for us for about 10 points, and hopefully that happens tomorrow night. We're not a very tall team, so I'd call us a running team. We have to get up and down the floor. We have to shoot the ball well. We have to rebound the ball well, and when we really have to get after them defensively.
Am I expecting to see KSS on Saturday?
I am.
You are?
How's that sound? I am. I'm expecting to see us there. Bottom line, we'll find a way.
I mean, there's no easy game. There's no games a given in this tournament. But, I mean, if we come together like we know how to, yeah, I like our chances.
So this tournament features a lot of the best teams in all of Western Canada. So anyone who comes is definitely in for a treat when it comes to some of the top basketball you can see in Kelowna. The Owls hope to be in the final, which tips off Saturday here at the KSS Gym. For KelownaNow, I'm Kent Mulgat.